We provide support services through our help desk. This can be live chat or email-based support. We do not consistently provide our support service through any other channel, including, but not limited to Facebook, Twitter, or over the phone, at this time. You need to submit a ticket using the help desk to take advantage of our support service. Depending on the product, you might be offered a live chat option. In both cases, please bear in mind what we do support when submitting your ticket. We may ask you to send us your login details if we need them to assist you. If you do, please follow our documentation about how to pass the details to us securely. Our help desk tickets, and information you share with us through these help desk tickets, are confidential. Only you and our support team will see your ticket. Who handles support for extensions purchased on Woocommerce.com? On each product page, you can find information about who handles the extension. Some extensions are developed by our own developers and supported by our happiness engineers. These extensions are marked as handled by Woocommerce. Other extensions are developed and supported by certified extension developers. These extensions are marked as handled by partner. When you have a question about an extension you purchased, this question will be sent directly to the developer of that extension. If the extension is maintained by the Woocommerce team, we will get back to you. If the extension is handled by one of our certified extension developers, your request will be sent directly to them. This ensures that you get the answers you need as quickly as possible, from exactly the people that are best equipped to help you. Other support options. You may find relevant community forums to be a helpful source of tips and assistance from the broader community. We do not moderate these forums and we do not control discussions taking place, so we do not take responsibility for or necessarily endorse the content of these discussions. Be sensible. When in doubt, take independent steps to verify the advice you receive through community forums before relying on it. Our frequently answered questions, or FAQs, contain answers to common questions and may help answer questions you may have. These FAQs are relatively generic and may not be directly relevant to your specific query or challenge. General information. If you would like to contact us regarding account-related issues or pre-sales questions, use our contact form. We will respond to you as soon as possible. Incorporation by reference. This support policy incorporates the following provisions and their subordinate provisions of the terms by reference. Interpreting these used terms. Support service. Passwords and account security. Your privacy. Warranties. Liability. Documents and notices. The provisions incorporated into this support policy from the terms must be read as being applicable to this support policy, to the extent doing so does not materially change their meaning. To the extent the provisions of this support policy conflict with the terms, the provisions of this support policy will prevail to the extent of the conflict.